Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at preposition of place in English. Let's get started. The prepositions of place in English allow you to locate in space. They are always followed by a nominal group. Across the street. Across the street. Around the lake. Around the lake. At the park. At the park. Along the river. Along the river. Behind the wall. Behind the wall. Between the bank and the post office. Between the bank and the post office. Down the hill. Down the hill. From Paris. From Paris. In the garden. In the garden. In front of the train station. In front of the train station. Next to the hospital. Next to the hospital. On the table. On the table. The dog jumped onto the roof. The dog jumped onto the roof. Opposite the cinema. Opposite the cinema. Off Costa Rica. Off Costa Rica. Through the forest. Through the forest. Towards the bus stop. Towards the bus stop. I go to bed. I go to bed. Under the chair. Under the chair. We use at or in when there is no movement, and to when there is a verb of movement. He is at the bank. He is at the bank. He is going to the bank. He is going to the bank. She is in London. She is in London. He went to London. He went to London. In or into. We use in to locate someone or something, and into to indicate that we are entering a place. Tina went into the bank. Tina went into the bank. Kevin lives in an apartment. Kevin lives in an apartment. We put in front of a city, a street name or a country. He lives in Roma. He lives in Roma. She lives in Moray Street. She lives in Moray Street. To say at some place, we use at plus apostrophe s or to plus apostrophe s. She is at the doctor's. She is at the doctor's. I'm going to Paul's. I'm going to Paul's. So, there you go guys. This video ends here about preposition of place in English. Thanks for watching.